Hi everybody, my name is Ananya Mhatre from Jesus Private School, Dubai, Class 4D. I am participating in the Junior Level 5 Silver Duke and today I will be doing one of my tasks which is cookery. So let's get started. So today I will be making tomato soup referring this book and I will be following the recipe from this book. So I will first discuss the ingredients. I am using one onion, a carrot, 4 tablespoon olive oil, 1 garlic, chopped tomatoes, then mint leaves, a pinch of sugar, lemon juice, breadsticks, and salt and freshly ground pepper. Now I'm going to simmer the chopped vegetables for 5 to 10 minutes. Carrot. Now that I've added all the vegetables, I have to stir occasionally and cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're gonna wait for it to cool down and then we'll turn it into puree. Yum. I think the soup tastes really nice. I will ask my parents to taste now.
Okay, let's test soup made by Ananya. It's very tasty. The tomato taste, tangy taste is very beautiful, blended with cream and all. Very good. I like the test. Thank you.
The soup is tasty and sweet. I think it's sweet. Sweetness is there in the soup. Nice.
I've completed my first task, which was cookery. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.